Hello guys, how are you? And once again, welcome back to this my YouTube channel. And guys, today in this video, I am going to show you how to create a blog post to your WordPress based websites. So guys, to do this, you need to log into your WordPress admin panel, and currently I have already logged in, and here you can see this is the dashboard of my WordPress admin, and to create a blog post I need to move to my mouse to a post menu, and under it you can see there are four sub menus available: all post, add new, categories and tags. Once I click on all post, it will show me a list of posts which are currently available in my websites. And if I need to create a new post, then I can simply click on this add new button, or I can simply click on add new sub menu here. And here if I click on categories, there will be a list of categories currently which is available in my WordPress based website. And in left side you can see one form. There you can simply create a new category by giving a name of category, slug, selection of parent category and description of category. Then you can click on add new category and it will create it. And here is the tags. So once you click on tags, it will list out tags which are currently available. And in left side of form you can give a name of your tags, slugs and description of your tag, and click on add new tag. It will create a new tag to your website. So now let me go to the all post, and let me create a one post. I will create a new post, and will give a name PHP programming. So here I can give a title to my blog post, and here I can give a description of my blog post. So let me write some dummy content. I am adding dummy content, and here you can see there is a right panel, and there is many selection available: status and visibility, publish, author, selection of template, permalinks, selection of categories. Here we can add a new tag, or if we have available tags, then we can select tags. Featured image, here using this feature we can add a featured image to our blog post. Here we can simply write a short description of our blog post. So let me give short description, and here we can do the settings of discussion, like allow comments to our blog post or not, allow pingbacks and trackbacks, etc. And if I click on this plus icon, and one dialog box will open, and it will allow me to add the some blocks to my description: paragraph blocks, common blocks, heading, quote, file, etc. And when I click on browse all, it will open many blocks into the left side. Here you can simply choose any block, and drag and drop to your content part like this. I have selected paragraph and drag drop to the content area, and here it is added, and I simply add content here like this. Again clicking on add icon, and click on browse all and selecting image there, and it will allow me to add the image to this content area. So let me click on media library, upload files, and I will upload file from my computer, and it will be uploaded. It's taking some time, don't know why, but it should be uploaded soon. Okay, it's uploaded. I'm simply selected it, and if you can see, image is displaying now in my content area. And let me add one featured image too. If this media library have images, then it will be display here, and we can use them from too. But let me add one new. I will select and upload from here. It is taking some time. Once it will be uploaded, I can select and set it to featured image. Why it is taking too much time? Maybe my internet is slow. It's taken too much time. Okay, now it is uploaded, and I will select and click on set featured image. Okay, okay. Now here it is option of publish. Currently it is set to immediately, but we can choose date and time from here. If you do not want to publish it immediately, then you can select your publish date and time, and at that time it will automatically publish. So currently I'm selecting immediately. I haven't created any category according to the PHP programming blog post, but I will create one category. But for now, let me click on publish, and PHP programming is the title, is now live, and here is my website, and let me do refresh. Okay, so one new blog post is added to my website, and how it is looking. This is the featured image which I had added from admin side, and this is excerpt, means short description, and when I click on image or title, it will open this blog post to as a detail, and this is how it is looking. This is the featured image, and this image we had added to content area, and this is how you can create a blog post. Okay, now I need to create one category, so I will go to the admin side, and will select categories menu from here, and here I can give a category name. So I will create one category, web development, and I don't want to add any parent category for this category, so I will simply click on add new category, and here you can see web development is created, but there is no any post under it. That's why it is displaying count 0, because I created it new. Okay, going to all post, and will click on edit, and I will select web development category from here and will update. So this blog post is now under web development category. Let me refresh, and here you can see this is web development category. Okay, now going to click on here, and let me create one category, like this is the web development category, where I can create a blog post according to programming language or web development. So now I need to create one category, like if you want to add a blog post like cricket, football, hockey, etc. So let me create one sports category and click on add new category, and here is sports category created. So now again let me create one blog post. Let me give one title, cricket match. This is test content, etc., etc., dummy content. And so this is a blog post according to the sports. So if we select web development here, then this is not good. So that's why category is created. So let me create sports here, and I will publish it. Cricket match is now live. Now I'm going to front side again, front page, and if you can see, this new blog post is now displaying cricket match. This is the test content, etc. And when I click on it, it will open in detail. So this is how you can create a blog post and separate it by adding to a different types of category like sports, which I added, and web development. And here you can comment it. Your user can comment on your blog post. Click on post comment, and this comment is now posted. And if you go here, click on comments, and you can see comments here. You can approve, reply, quick edit, move to spam, and trace the comments. Okay, going to edit it again. Click on plus icons, and here are so many blocks, and here are the patterns. You can simply drag and drop any pattern to the your content. I drag and drop this pattern, click on update, and here in detail page, when I do refresh, you can see how my content is updated. So you can check how the blog are useful to you according to your content, and you can use it. Here are image, gallery, audio, cover, file, media. So many blogs are already available. Here are some designs like button, columns, rows, text, many. So you can choose any blog according to your requirement. Okay guys, so my idea was to show you how you can actually blog post to your website, and I've shown you. So if you do like my video, then click like button, share my videos, comment to my videos if you do not understand anything, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.